Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this necktie brooch. These are materials which I'll be using for this tutorial. Now I'll show you how to make this necktie brooch. First, I'm burning edges on each ribbon end so they don't fray. Next, I'm using 24cm long ribbons, folding them like that. And I'm applying hot glue on one end of the ribbon, like that, gluing those two ends of the ribbon together, like that, pressing quite hard so they stick together. And I'm repeating same process on other ribbon. Next, I'm taking one of the ribbons, applying the glue on the top, and I'm gluing those two ribbons together like that, again pressing quite hard so they stick together. Next, I'm cutting excess glue off on the top. Next, I'm using these 26cm long ribbons, applying a glue on the top of the one ribbon, and I'm gluing those two ribbons together like that. Next, I'm applying hot glue on those two shorter bow ribbons on the top there, and I'm gluing those two longer ribbons on top. Pressing all the ribbons together so the glue sticks properly. And cutting all of the excess glue off the top. Next, I will sew these two embellishments drop the paint. I'll sew these two embellishments together. I'll be using this invisible thread to sew both embellishments together. Next, I'm applying hot glue on a ribbon on top there, and I'm gluing on my embellishments on top of the glue there, pressing quite hard so it sticks properly. Next, I will sew this brooch pin on a felt fabric piece on top there, using black cotton. My brooch pin is prepared now, it looks like that. Next, I'm applying hot glue on a felt fabric at the back there. And I will glue this brooch pin at the back of this ribbon, like that. Again, I'm pressing quite hard so it sticks properly on the ribbon. So this is the back of the necktie brooch. And this is the front of my necktie brooch. And here's my finished necktie brooch. If you have any questions how I made this necktie, please do comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.